Hi everyone, just wanted to do another little video tutorial on how to run this triangle congruence sort in this Google slide. So you can see my screen here. I'm just going to go ahead and hit present just so you can see what it'll look like whenever we run through, if it will load. Okay, that's not working. Alright, never mind. So let's just go straight to the second slide here where it says, well, first slide, instructions. Cut and paste the diagrams on the next slide to where they belong on the other slides based on the congruence relationship you would choose. There are 5 relationships to choose from. Now I put that on there because we've only talked about 4, so that'll come up in a minute. So here are 10 diagrams. You're going to sort these using copy and paste. Just like in the other ones, if you need to zoom in on something, you can zoom in on them, like, make them larger, smaller, however. And pretty much you're just going to hit Control X. I'm going to cut that. And then if I think it goes in the side one, I'm just going to click here, or side, or angle, side, angle, wherever. I'm just going to pick side, because that one's first. I'm going to hit Control V to paste it. So you're going to finish that with the 10 slides. And then if you look here, it says down in the right-hand corner of each of these 5 congruencies, side, angle, angle, side, and then hypotenuse leg, which I'll get to in a second. In each of these, there's a submit your answers here link. And that's why I really wanted to present, because I wanted to show what that looks like. Here we go. So I know it's like cut down on the screen there, but if I click that, that's going to take me to a Google form. You're going to put your name in here, and it says what 2 diagrams did you choose that use angle, side, triangle congruence. So you just click whichever ones you feel the answers are, and then you hit submit. So that's how I'll know what your answers are. So you're not going to be submitting the slides to me or anything like that. You're going to be submitting your answers using the link to the Google form. So really quickly about the hypotenuse leg, it says this is one that we didn't talk about, but I thought I'd put it in here in case you can figure it out. There is only one diagram that applies to this congruence. If you want to get some basic info on it, check out the graphic organizer I already posted on Canvas. So those are the instructions. Just look through the 10, see if you can figure out which one might use the hypotenuse leg. Again, more information on that in Canvas. And then you may or may not have one that's not, or a couple that are not congruent. I don't have a submit answer here because I'm not that interested in that one, or 2 or 3 or however many might not be congruent. So just make sure you're clicking those answers to submit your answers on those other 5 forms. I think that's it. As always, please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.